Go to your App Store or Play Store, search for Canva. Install this free Canva app in your smartphone. Now launch the Canva app and make sure your smartphone is connected with the internet. Now from this Canva, you have to scroll down and here you will find Facebook cover template. So to resize our Facebook cover photo, we will use this Facebook cover template. Select this template and then minimize this design template just like this. And this is a blank cover photo. We will upload our custom image here. So select it, then tap on replace. And now from your gallery, go ahead and select the image, which image you want to resize for your Facebook cover photo. So in my case, I'm selecting this photo for example. And here we can see the photo uploaded here. Now you can easily go ahead and resize or adjust the image by tapping on adjust. And now you can, pardon my mistake, we have to double tap on my image and then you will be able to crop or resize, zoom in or zoom out the photo. So select a perfect location for the image. You can also use this rotate option to rotate the image. Now tap on done and then it's time to download the image. So tap on share and tap on download. Select file type PNG, tap on download. Once downloaded, go to your gallery and here you will find the resized image. Now we will upload this image in our Facebook. So go to your Facebook, go to your profile, tap this cover photo, tap on upload photo, select the resized image, and here we can see the image successfully fitted on my cover photo. Tapping on save, and that's how you can actually resize a photo for our Facebook cover photo. Thanks for watching.